This is 2020. We already made it, guys. Thank you so much for your constant support and love, and Happy New Year. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope this is not your first time watching any of my videos, and if so, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you can be a part of my doers family. This little family is growing slowly. And also click that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's come to the point. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I decorated our office room in a budget and also made it look a luxury office room by some easy DIYs. And I spent less than $100, guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is the reality, guys. So embarrassing. Okay, as usual, you need to clean up the place first. Keep in mind though, as you are cleaning office room, try not to lose any important paper in this process. It is important to categorize all the items before you move them. Now I'm gonna just fast forward the cleanup process as it was too much for one day. Every time I ignore one corner of the house and it becomes a dumping ground. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up and let you enjoy the beautiful music.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Our home office table is already white, and that's a plus because the main colors of my design theme are white, gold, and pinch of gray, if that makes sense. This table is from IKEA, by the way, and we have it for a long time. The table is totally clean. Now I'm gonna attach the marble printed self-adhesive paper which I got from Walmart. I am obsessed, guys. I don't even know in how many projects I used this marble paper, and every time it looks amazing. As I mentioned in my previous videos that you need to be very slow and careful. There should not have any air bubble trapped in between. I used an old credit card to finish this job. You can use whatever is handy for you. I love how the table turned out. You cannot even tell from the distance whether it's real or fake. My husband uses an extra screen for the home office and he keeps it on this box. Oh well, I'm gonna reuse it because it's sturdy and it takes the weight. I will take some duct tape and cover the whole surface. And then I covered it with remaining marble papers. It looks great and looks like a part of the table and turned out like exactly what I wanted. I went to our local Goodwill and got few items for the home office. Let me show you one by one. I really saved some money in this. This photo frame is in perfect condition and it's only $2.99. I got these two rulers for 99 cents. And later I noticed I actually paid more as it was only 74 cents in clearance. Never mind. Then I got this wooden tray for only $2.99. I completely forgot the price of this vase, guys. It's probably $4.99, I don't know. Then I got these brand new gift boxes, 3 of them for only $4.99, and the color complements the theme color. This cork bulletin board is in perfect condition and I got it in $2.99. Happy me! Okay, this candle holder is made with pure brass and leather, and it will be perfect for our office space. Again, only $2.99. All it needs is a little cleanup. This glass jar has airtight lid and I think it will be perfect for the candies. $1.99, guys. Then I got this gorgeous glass table lamp only for $3.99. And this Japanese tray needs some cleaning, but it has white and gold, which I wanted, and only $1.99. The candle stand looks amazing after some cleaning. My little one is sleeping in the next room, so I didn't want to make any noise. Therefore, I'm doing it manually. Didn't want to use the drill this time. The board is up and already full. These flowers are so old, oh my gosh. We bought them back in Australia and I carried them all the way to US. For some weird reason, they are my favorite. We have plenty of wrapping paper rolls, and these are not all of it, but some of it. I think this galvanized bucket was perfect for this. I bought it from Home Goods for just $1 because it was in clearance. It's time for some final touches. I'm also using some old stuff I already had at home. I love these gift boxes. Oh my god, you can hide anything you want and it will still look gorgeous. Sometimes we can't decide whether we want to throw something or not, and that lack of decision-making skill will lead to a big clutter. So I highly recommend you to use boxes or drawers for this kind of things. The table lamp looks super sleek and clean. By the way, these jars are from Home Goods as well, and I spent $10 before tax for these glass jars with office accessories. You can also use your own jars and you can save some money in that way. As gold is one of the main colors in this office room, I decided to buy some chocolates with gold wrappers in it. I luckily got this gold framed wall clock from Walmart, and I think it was less than $4. Otherwise, I would just make one particularly for this room. Look at this gorgeous cushion. I bought it from Ross and it has all the colors I need for this room. And I temporarily using this cup with gold stripe. Later I will probably change it with a modern one, maybe. Also, I did this super easy DIY for this planter and the stand. I just attached the marble paper on the planter and gold spray painted this candle holder to complete the look. It hardly took 5 minutes. I also spray painted this trash to match the color with the rest of the room. It was from IKEA, by the way. Also, these 2 magazine storages were black before and I decided to make them gold. Before I forget, please comment below in the comment section if you have any question or suggestions. Your feedback is very valuable to me and I will get back as soon as possible. I still have to organize this over the door storage and make it useful. It's in the to-do list. I'm not done with this room yet. I definitely need to change these storage boxes later. But right now they are doing their jobs, which is hiding my stuff. So that was it, guys. I really hope you liked this video and found it useful. And if so, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can be a part of my doers family, because this tiny little family is growing slowly. And also click the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my uploads. I'm so glad you guys are here. This place is awesome. Thank you so much for all your support. I love you guys so much. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.
The streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.